Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Guys, give me another reaction. Bumbleclad. What I did? Yeah, man, we're there with a new artist. First, I listen to the artist. Yeah. A1 Pelico. Pick up yourself with G. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, man. I'm going to pick up the whole production team for that one here too. Yes, man. Come on, records. Pick up yourself with G. Pick up yourself. Pick up yourself. DJ Tropical. Channel 17 records. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Yes. Them mix and master it. I'm the engineer. DJ Tropical and Channel 17 records. Do the right thing. Yeah, man. Big up yourself as well, G. So we could jump in that one here and see what the artists are going with, man. So this one is visualizer, studio visualizer. Yeah. Take out the echo. Yeah. All right. Could jump in that and hear the artists are doing. Let's go. You know, if you ask for some boy, get them off a spending class. The Gyalis test me, show them never pass. When Gyalis school, I keep them boy, they school class. She get girl for free. You know, if you ask for some boy, get them off a spending class. The Gyalis test me, show them never pass. When Gyalis school.
Yo, Tata, me get gal for free. You know fi ask for some boy get gal them off spend them last. The gal is test me show them never pass. When gal is school I keep them boy they skull class. She ain't get gal.
Them skull class. Them not have no style. Them not have no style. No gal not use them unless them must spend money. Naturally, we get gal. Naturally. Hey. Hey. Hey, man, Pelico, come myself again, G. One thing I like about this, even though it's a studio visual, it's in a 4K. Yeah, it's in a 4K. Yes. So young artists, take note. Upload the song them in the right format, the right resolution. Let's go. Last. What did I pass?
Yo, Tata,
hey,
me get gal for free. You know fi ask for some boy get gal them off spend them last. The gal is test me show them never pass. When gal is school I keep them boy they skull class. She ain't get gal for free. You know fi ask for some boy get gal them off spend them last. The gal is test me show them never pass. When gal is school I keep them boy they skull class. I mean the gal them give the Anna. Mount a gal I said them want propose to the man ya.
Every girl me to G want propose. Them want propose. Yeah. The girl them give me the Hannah.
I mean the girl them give the Anna. Mount a girl I said them want propose to the man ya. As a girl meet me them a talk but when the plan now.
Where you use get girl?
Just me style and me grammar.
Blood clot. Where you use get girl? Blood clot, man. Come on. Come on, man.
Girl just because.
Come on, man. It's easy now. Enough you kill up self. It's either you got it or you don't. The swagger, the aura, the style. You know?
Yo, Tata,
again.
Me get gal for free. You know fi ask for some boy get gal them off spend them last. The gal is test me show them never pass. When gal is school I keep them boy they skull class. She ain't get gal for free. You know fi ask for some boy get gal them off spend them last. The gal is test me show them never pass. When gal is school I keep them boy they skull class. I mean the girl them give the Anna. Mount a girl I said them want propose to the man ya. As a girl meet me them a talk but when the plan now.
Where you use get girl?
Just me style and me grammar. No forget girl just because them a scammer. No forget girl too because them a nyama.
We a get girl from where we bumbleclad tear up at the jeans. We a get girl from where walk with slip out with the foot back hang off. Some of them boy only start get girl because them start scammer and start drive beasts. And you the girl want, and your money, and your cheddar, and your moolah, and you me G. You have to get girl from dumpling and butter days. I want to some boy.
No forget girl just boy? Because them a scammer.
Yeah.
No forget girl too because them a nyama. Now fiba them.
See that? No forget girl because them a use them mouth. Them a use them waist. Them a use them waist. And them a use them mouth. I want to them boy, dog.
Girl just because them a scammer. No forget girl too because them a nyama. Now fiba them up or beat them with no hammer. I mean I fi carry them go shopping. A jula rama.
Bumbleclad. Look at me here one by now what they so still. Look at me here one by now what they so still. Ahoo. 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 Yellow. Ahoo. Beat up girl with hammer.
Now fi bad them up or beat them with no hammer. I mean, now fi carry them go shopping. A jeweler rama.
Get girl for free. You not fi ask for some boy get girl them have to spend them last.
Disclaimer. Not because A1 day I started to say him get girl for free. Mean say mean. Him no mean. Him no mean. So after him get a girl, him a gonna make she get the finer things in life. But him a tell us say, yo, me get her without offering her the finer things in life. Just naturally. Naturally.
The Gyalis test me show them never pass. When Gyalis school I keep them boy they skull class. She ain't get girl for free. You not fi ask for some boy get girl them have to spend them last. The Gyalis test me show them never pass. When Gyalis school I keep them boy they skull class.
At 300 me get pan Gyalis test. Never be a girl clone or a novice yet.
Yo. 300 out of 100 me get. Me get 300 out of 100 pan Gyalis test. Oh no believe.
At 300 me get pan Gyalis test. Never be a girl clone or a novice yet. Me gone right if a girl go left. Because no girl can't make the dan go stress.
Me gone right if a girl go left. So if she want go and make she go on, me not stress. What me a stress for? As one gone, one ban. Had that me I tell you. Big up all the man them on a mother one girl. Unless a munga song, eh? And a boy like me not mad. No, now over no. Hey!
Me gone right if a girl go left. Because no girl can't make the dan go stress.
Never.
Me never cry over no girl flesh. After no one girl God did make. Me change girl just like me step. If me give a girl a change, me no buy no sense.
What a comparison. Me change girl just like me step. Remember say each time you walk, you take a step forward. Time I tell you say him change girl like him change him step them. Hey, left, right.
Me change girl just like me step. If me give a girl a change, me no buy no sex.
Girl for free.
If me give a girl a change, me no buy no sex. And no pump me I buy indirectly. No. Or directly, no. Me just kind. Remember me tell you something, me don't tell you say G tell you say I'm kind enough.
You not fi ask for some boy get girl them have to spend them last. The Gyalis test me show them never pass. When Gyalis school I keep them boy they skull class. She ain't get girl for free. You not fi ask for some boy get girl them have to spend them last. The Gyalis test me show them never pass. When Gyalis school I keep them boy they skull class.
All production team, big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Records. A1 Pelico, big up yourself, my G. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Channel 17 Records. Engineers. Do the right thing. Big up yourself, my fam. Yeah.
I mean the girl them give the honor. Mount a girl I said them a propose to the man ya. As a girl meet me them a talk, but when the plan out.
What you use get girl?
Just me style and me grammar.
Yeah.
No forget girl just because them a scammer. No forget girl too because them a nyama. Now fi bad them up or beat them with no hammer. I mean now fi carry them go shopping. A jeweler
Get girl
rama.
for free. You not fi ask for some boy get girl them have to spend them last. The Gyalis test me show them
Never pass.
When Gyalis school I keep them boy they skull class.
Can't go wrong with this, brother. A Gyalis thing we are talk about over here, so. A Gyalis thing we are talk about over here, so. This bad. Me like it. I like the whole concept. But I hear a line in it when me say, yo, how the world are them attack? How who beat up girl with hammer? How who him youth? Cross, don't make it. Hey, A1 Pelico, don't make it warlord get cross in the youth. But yo, the song bad still. The song bad. One A1 Pelico, big up yourself, my G. Yeah. Production team, big up on yourself. I like it. I fuck with it. But here we go on now. One link I got there in the comment section. Pin on the top of the comment section. Go check it out. Please go check it out and tell them who sent it over there. Who? If you get this far in the video, right. Who? Yeah? Yeah, but I'm not going to take whatever down in the comment section and I'll catch you guys down there. I'm out.